Hey, welcome to AJ Life Hacks. My name is Abbi J. I am a life coach and a public speaker, and today in this video, I am sharing with you how to continually improve yourself every single day. I know that for, us personal development junkies and for people who love to set goals, sometimes it can feel like that every day that things aren't happening and that we're just kind of stuck and stagnant, and yeah, we'll probably hit our goals by the end of the year, but what am I doing today? Am I improving every single day? Because if I'm not, then actually I don't know if I'll hit those goals, and I can feel really discouraged if I don't hit those goals. And so I wanted to do a video to talk about what you can be doing every single day to make sure you are continually improving. So diving right into those tips, my first tip for making sure you are continually improving every single day is to commit to a morning routine. Yes, I said morning and routine. And those two things, like that single thing, having a routine will change your life. I recently have watched some videos. I'm constantly trying to improve myself, and I have come to the realization that you are only as good as your morning routine. And that is like the greatest secret of personal progress and continually improving yourself every single day is having a stellar routine to start your day right every single day. And the power of that routine comes from not only consistency, but it is setting you up for success in your day. So my challenge for you is to get a morning routine. And why I say morning is because if you waste that morning by sleeping in, even to like 8 or 9 o'clock, those are hours that you're missing. Those are hours that somebody else is using to get the leg up on you. And those are hours that usually are undisturbed and untouched by crazy demands and family needs. And so use that time. For me, it's getting up at 6 or even earlier, going to the gym, getting myself ready, and taking care of the most important thing first in the day, and setting my day straight, and taking the time to plan that day. So start to develop your own morning routine. It can be completely yours. You don't have to use mine. You don't have to copy somebody else. Do a routine that works for you, but stick to it. There is so much power in the consistency of keeping an awesome routine. My second tip for you is to focus on one improvement daily. Now, I get it. I am there myself. I have a list so long that it runs across the floor of things that I want to improve about myself. I want to be a better person. I want to be more fit. I want to be more healthy. I want to be kinder. I want to be better at my career. There are so many things that I'm sure that you want to improve about yourself. And if you're like me, we wanted it to happen yesterday. But there is such a power that comes with being focused and focusing daily on one thing. So what this looks like for you is waking up and saying, you know what, today I'm going to focus on being a more grateful person, and gratitude is my word. And you go about your day and you are so focused and determined just on gratitude and being more grateful. Because what can happen is if you wake up and say, okay, I'm going to be healthier today, I'm going to be kinder today, I'm going to be more grateful today, and I'm going to be more focused today. That's 4 things, and I can only remember, and I just said them, like gratitude and focus, right? And so we start to just like dilute our efforts. And so my challenge for you is to think of one thing every single day that you want to work on just for that day. To go along with this, I want to give you my free guide to 10 days to a more powerful you. This whole guide is focused on this idea of taking one day out of 10 and focusing on one aspect on your life that you want to improve. So grab that right now. It's in the description down below. There's a link to it, and that's yours completely free. So download that, and then let's go on to step number 3. Step 3 is to remind yourself and set up daily reminders of your ideal vision. We as human beings are so visual, and yes, we can have these awesome ideas of, the person we want to become, but we need visual reminders of that. So I know that for me, yeah, I have a Pinterest board of like my ideal fashion self. I have a Pinterest board of my ideal like fitness level that I want to be to. But I also have around my house like pictures of Christ, my family. I have notes framed from people that are actual triggers to me. Nobody would know this, but they're triggers to me of like, oh yeah, I'm trying to be a better person. Oh yeah, I'm trying to be more like this person that sent me that note. And so set up those reminders all around yourself. You are trying to set yourself up for success every single day. So have meaningful things all around you to remind you that you are continually every day working on being a better person and making that change in your life. My fourth tip for you on continually improving yourself every single day is to actually schedule like check-in points with yourself. Now, for me, I love doing this, and I have check-in points for the week and for the month, because when I start to think of like the year, it's too late. By the time I'm actually checking back in at a year, I might be so far off course that I don't know like what to do because, oh man, it's been a year, so I guess I'll set another year goal. No, my challenge for you is to set like check-in points with yourself and say, well, this week, to prove that I'm improving on my business, I want to have my website done, or I want to have written 5 blog posts. Or if it's more of like a personal goal, you know what, I this week alone want to make sure I send 3 texts to people that I appreciate them or that I'm grateful for them. So something actual like that you can calculate, that you can figure out, and that you can say yes or no, I didn't achieve this. Those are vital to improving yourself every day, or else you just say, was I a more grateful person this week? I don't know, because you can't really, how do you measure that? So think of measurable things that you can check in with yourself. Because yes, it's kind of hard daily to say, oh, I completed all these tasks, but by a week, by a month, there's certain things that you can say, like tangible and like quantitative things that you can write down and say, I actually did that. Yes, I made 5 blog posts. Yes, I reached out to this many people. Oh yes, I lost this much weight. So write down some of those check-in points for yourself. And my last tip is do not give up on yourself. I get that the daily grind of life can be a lot, but don't give up on yourself. If you screw up one day, that's okay. You have tomorrow. And that's the beauty of like continually working on yourself every single day, because something as simple as weight loss starts with a daily thing. It's with each meal. And so take it a day at a time. You got this. There you have it. Those are my top 5 tips for how to continually improve yourself every single day. So I hope these tips help you. Please hit that like button and comment down below on which tip helped you or what you do to improve yourself every single day. I want to hear from you. And do not forget to grab your guide to 10 Days to a More Powerful You. It's just right there, first link in the description down below, and this guide will change your life. I guarantee it. So I can't thank you enough for stopping by my channel. Please, please, please subscribe if you haven't already yet. And of course, I will see you in the next video. So Abbi J out.